In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo reconciliation in Xero. If you've reconciled a transaction in Xero, but realized it was done in error or need to make adjustments, don't worry. It's a simple process to unreconcile it. Let's walk through the steps together. First, start by navigating to the top bar of your Xero dashboard. You'll see several options up there. What you want to do is click on Accounting. When you click on this, a drop-down menu will appear, displaying various options. From this menu, you'll want to select Bank Accounts. Once you select Bank Accounts, you'll be directed to a page that lists all your linked bank accounts. This page is crucial because it gives you an overview of your financial connections to Xero. Look through the list and find the specific bank account that holds the transaction you want to undo. When you've spotted the correct account, go ahead and click on it to view further details. With the bank account page now open, your next move is to look for the Account Transactions tab. This tab is important as it houses all the transactions associated with that particular bank account. When you click on the Account Transactions tab, you'll be able to see a list of transactions along with their current statuses over on the right side. This section provides a detailed view of everything going on within that account. As you look through the transactions, find the reconciled transaction you need to address. Clicking on this specific transaction will take you to a screen with more information about it, essential details you might need for verification purposes. Now, within the detailed view of the transaction, you'll see several options available to you. What you're looking for is a button labeled Options. Click on it. A small menu will pop up, offering several choices. For the purpose of undoing the reconciliation, select Unreconcile. This action effectively undoes the reconciliation, allowing you to make any necessary corrections or modifications to the transaction. And just like that, you've successfully unreconciled a transaction in Xero. It's a straightforward process, but handling these small details carefully ensures your financial data stays accurate and reliable. Always double-check your actions to maintain integrity across your records. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks on managing your finances with Xero. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to assist.